This supply and demand graph shows how setting a minimum wage can affect the job market in a simple way. Firstly, normal market. Without minimum wage, the market finds its own balance. The blue demand curve from companies and the red supply curve from workers meet at point E. This gives the equilibrium wage and the equilibrium employment, QE. At this point, everyone who wants a job at that wage can find one. Secondly, after minimum wage is introduced, the government sets a minimum wage that is higher than the market wage. Two things happen. For one, more people want jobs because the pay is better. More workers are willing to work. Quantity supplied increases from QE to QS. For another, companies hire fewer people because labor is more expensive. Companies can't afford to hire as many people. Quantity demanded decreases from QE to QD. As for the result, there are now more people looking for jobs, QS, than there are jobs available, QD. The difference, QS minus QD, represents unemployment caused by the minimum wage. In simple terms, raising the minimum wage helps workers who keep their jobs earn more. However, it can also make it too expensive for some companies to hire as many people, leading to fewer job opportunities, especially for low-skilled or young workers. Policymakers have to balance these two effects.
Let's look at this chart. The title of the chart is World Food Price Index, and this index is often used to measure global food inflation and food market stability. The horizontal axis shows time from 2016 to 2025 by year. The vertical axis shows the food price index in index points, with values ranging roughly from 90 to 150. The blue line shows the actual change in the World Food Price Index over time. The upward sloping trend line shows that food prices have increased in the long term. The horizontal dashed line, labeled mean, represents the long-term average level. From 2016 to 1990, food prices were relatively stable and the index stayed close to or below the average line. Starting in 2020, the index became much more unstable. Between 2021 and 2022, food prices rose sharply and reached the highest level in the whole period. This increase is likely related to pandemic, supply chain problems, and international conflicts. After 2023, the index started to fall, but it remained higher than the levels before the pandemic.